chopped onions. We want to make it a bit hot. We have habanero pepper chopped. We have our spring onion, and we have our grated carrots. So I'm going to be introducing other ingredients as we continue. Let's get started. Let's season the food. Then add our chicken. Spices, garlic powder, thyme, paprika, curry, and any spices of So I'm going to add this. This is just flour and water. We don't want it to dry. Okay, too dry. This is good. And our filling ready and tasting delicious. For this samosa, we are going to be using tortilla. Okay, so we have it here, a bundle of it. So I'm going to cut it in half.
How are you gonna do it?
Look at that. Okay. So this is just water and flour. So we can seal it, okay? Fry it. We have our oil ready. allow it to fry until golden brown. So quickly. Okay, let's get it out. The samosa is ready. Look at that, beautiful. It's ready. Can you see that crunch? Can you hear that crunch? It's ready. Delicious. We are coming to the end of this video. Please subscribe. I just reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for all your support. May God bless you. Let's open it up. Look at that yummy stuff. Can you hear the crunch? Take a bite. Can you see that? Delicious. Bye. God bless you.
You like